a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to adjust your Windows 10 PC for best performance. This also works for Windows 11 as well, so yeah. Go to right click on this PC and go to properties. When you're there will say about, and here is some device specifications, and what are you going to do is go advanced system settings. In that section here you will see computer name, hardware, advanced and other things. Go to performance and settings. Here you can see processor scheduling and data execution prevention. Turn on this if you haven't already and go to this tab, visual effects. Here I selected custom, but here it will be like this for you. Let Windows choose what is best for my PC. You select adjust for best performance and click apply. Then click OK. And there. So what this does is Windows is focusing on performance rather than visual effects. Okay, so it's only the visual effects that is changed, and it's improved by performance but less graphics and visual effects. Okay, so yeah, now your PC will work better. For just in case, just restart your PC, and yeah, that is it. You can guys check my other videos in which I talked more about optimizing your PC for gaming and doing best performance. So there's other life hacks and tips which can help you also, so make sure to view that videos also, and that is it guys. Goodbye, thanks for watching, and leave a like, comment down below and subscribe. Goodbye.